Bling. Take it and change it. It's easy, it's quick.
There's no way.
Piece of the bill and just touch it.
Money.
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. I am your host, Evan Era. Today I'm showing you 5 money magic tricks and how to do them.
It's all about the money, boys!
So if you're ready, hit that thumbs up and let's go. For this one, you're gonna take an ordinary playing card and make some money. Check it out. Okay, I have a card trick to show you. So we have a deck of bicycle cards here. We don't need this card. We also don't need the jokers.
Yeah, no. Okay.
And all we need is the top card. Okay, watch the card.
Whoa, that was good.
Turns into a $100 bill.
Yeah.
You want it?
Yeah.
Psych. Alright, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal the secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. Okay, here's what you're gonna need to set up this trick. You're gonna need a playing card, doesn't matter which one. You're going to need a paper currency note. In this case, I'm going to use an American $50 bill to demonstrate this. You're gonna need some double-sided tape or some glue and some scissors. So step 1 is to take the card and you're going to make sure that the front face of it is getting glued down. This is what we want to end up with. So that is the card glued to the back of the $100 bill. So we want to do the back of the 50 because we want the front face of it to be what the spectator first sees. I'm going to use rubber cement here, but you can use a glue stick or some tape. Some double-sided tape works really well. Paint on a thin layer of rubber cement, and it will start to dry pretty quickly if you're using rubber cement. Just want to get that on there and then go ahead and get it stuck on the bill. Now obviously you can use a different country's currency. You don't have to use US currency. If you live in another country, you can use your country's currency, but just know that it might not size perfectly to the playing card. And in fact, the American money, as you can see here, doesn't size perfectly to it either. Just glue it down like that. All right, now we're good to trim it up. So we're just gonna have to trim up the edge a little bit with our scissors. So now that you have the edges trimmed up, this is what you're going to start with. It really looks pretty seamless. You've got your card glued to the back of the bill, and on the front, it looks totally normal. I'm gonna start with this part of the bill folded behind the card. And here's the handling. You're gonna hold it just like this at the corner, and this back part of the bill right here, this little flap, you're gonna hold that as well with your thumb. So your grip is just like this. The middle finger on the front, forefinger on the back, and the thumb holding the back flap. Just like that. And if your edges come up a little bit, just stick them back into place. So now that you're like this, you're gonna show the front of the card to the audience like this. So now that you have it held in this position, all you have to do is let go with your forefinger in the front and let the card fall down, and the bill will open up at the fold and it will look like it is magically changed into money. So one more time, you have it folded up like this, and the trick pretty much just does all the work for you at this point. You just let go of the front, let it fold down, and it looks like it magically changes. The faster you can make this, the better it looks. Also use your other hand for some cover. Okay, watch the card. Take it and change it into a $100 bill. Here's a backside cutaway of what's happening. So you're just gonna let it drop down like that. The card is obviously hidden from the spectator's view. You don't want anyone watching from this side. So you're gonna be holding like this and just boom. Super easy once you set it up, and you can save this gimmick and perform it over and over. Try that at home. Or if you don't want to save it, you can peel this apart, take the rubber cement off, and spend the money. And that is how you do the magic card to the bill trick. Okay, this one is a classic money trick with a surprise ending. Take a look. Okay, I have a trick to show you. Do you have a dollar bill? It can be a 1, 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, whatever you got.
Any of them?
Anything. Got it.
Just a dollar.
Okay, perfect.
A dollar.
Your borrowed dollar bill.
Oh man.
And take a pen.
Okay.
Do you mind signing the front of it so we can make it unique?
Okay.
Just sign your name across the front and draw something or write something, whatever you want to do.
Add that in there. Whoop, whoop.
Okay. Awesome. Take that back. Okay, so we've got your signature on your bill, correct?
Yes.
All right, so I'm going to fold it. That's yours, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
A little laughing life on there.
Gotcha. All right, so I'm going to fold this like this.
Okay.
Fold it one more time like this.
Okay.
And then I'm just going to roll it up like this.
Okay.
Okay, you can see. Definitely still your dollar, right?
Yes.
Nothing else in my hands.
I'm watching.
Fold that up.
It's only my
Just have a
dollar.
rubber band right here. I'm going to wrap it around your bill, just like this.
Okay. Very secure.
Yes.
You just keep on going.
So we've got it wrapped up there. That is
Yeah.
definitely your bill, right?
Yes.
Verify? Yes?
Yes. That is
Okay.
a bill wrapped in a rubber band.
So we're gonna take this right here, and I also have a handkerchief right here.
Okay.
It's gonna go over top of this,
Okay.
just like this, and I want you to hold it
Okay.
right here. Just grab it. Can you feel it there?
Yeah.
Yeah?
The
Okay.
band, yeah.
Yeah, got it? Okay. All right, so
Feel the
hold
rubber
it.
band.
Yeah, you feel the whole thing? Okay. All right, so hold that there, and I want to grab it by this corner. Right here, you're holding it, yes?
Yeah.
All right. Keep holding lightly.
Okay.
1, 2,
Am I supposed to let go?
3, let go. It vanishes. Watch. What's cool is where it goes.
Whoa.
Watch. It goes into my pocket. It's actually here inside this sealed container. And see, there's a screw on the lid. I need you to unscrew that. Can you grab one of the screwdrivers right there off the workbench right there? Take this.
There's no way, Evan. Any one of them?
Yeah.
There's no way it's in. There's no way it's in here.
Unscrew it.
Evan, there's no way. Am I? There's no way. I had to. You ready? There's no way.
Dump it out.
What? I don't want to even open it. There's no way.
Here, I'll take the lid.
There's no way.
Take the rubber band off.
It has to be mine. I'm still caught on the whole napkin thing.
You were holding it in the napkin, right?
I'm so confused. This has to be, I mean. Yeah. Wow.
That's definitely your signature?
This is a real screwdriver and real screws and a real capsule with a real dollar. How does that even work? All the way in your pocket. Every time these things get me. I don't know what to say. Like I said, I'm still stunned at the napkin. Like I would love an explanation.
Okay, here's the secret setup behind this amazing magic trick. Okay, here's what you need to pull off this trick. This is called the magic bill tube. This is what comes with the trick. It's this little canister. Has a screw right here, little pin on the other side that you have to remove. And then the lid comes off just like that. It's a hollow canister inside with a solid bottom. In addition to that, you're going to need 2 rubber bands, another bill, some tape, a handkerchief, a piece of paper, and some scissors. Your first step is to use your bill to measure out a piece of paper that's exactly the same size as a bill. Get it roughly the same size. Doesn't have to be exactly perfect, but as close as you can to the exact same size as a bill. Gonna cut it out just like that. So now that you have this cut out, you're going to roll it up, but first you're going to fold it in half like this and fold it in half like this. Now we're gonna roll it up. Now grab one of your rubber bands and rubber band it. Once you have it rubber banded up, grab your handkerchief and your tape. You're gonna go down to the bottom corner of the handkerchief right here, and you're gonna tape this in place. Now that you have it taped in place, you're gonna flip that over on the table so that it's hidden from the spectator's view. You can even kind of bunch it up like this so they definitely won't see it. You're gonna start out with this on the tape. You can put this bill away, you won't need it. That is the first part of the trick. Here's the second part of the trick. The canister actually has a secret false bottom. So you're gonna start the trick with this pulled out in your pocket. So you're gonna put the cap on and the little screw on the other side. So now that the screw is in, the cap is locked in place. And the secret compartment actually has an opening, so it's going to be able to slide up through the screw. This is all going to happen in your pocket. You're going to borrow a bill and have them sign the front face. You're then going to fold it up in the exact same way that you folded up the piece of paper before the trick. In half once, then in half again. You're going to roll this up just like this and rubber band it. So now this is going to feel exactly the same as the rolled up paper does. That's the key to making it disappear. So you're going to hold it at your fingertips, you're going to drape the handkerchief across your hand, and you're actually going to place your piece of paper in the middle of the handkerchief and hand it to them to hold, all the while maintaining this piece in your hand. So they're holding what they believe to be the bill right here. They can feel it the entire time. You've taken the actual bill and dropped it into your pocket, and now what you're going to do is secretly load it into the canister just like that. Now all you have to do is push up and the canister will lock closed. You're going to do that work in your pocket while while they are distracted with the handkerchief. You're gonna grab it by the corner and drop. It looks like the bill is completely vanished from the handkerchief. Because your paper is taped in place here, it won't fall to the ground, and it'll look and feel to the spectator like whatever they were holding just magically vanished. You then reach in your pocket, pull out the canister. It's a nice touch to have a screwdriver nearby so that you can have them open it. You can actually open it by hand, but it just makes it seem more impossible to have them use a screwdriver to open the lid. So they unscrew the lid, take out the little pins, remove the top, pull out the bill, undo the rubber band, unroll it, and see that it is indeed their signed bill. Stay tuned until the end of the video. I'm giving this away to one lucky comment. And that is the secret of the magic bill tube. Here's a new twist on a classic illusion. This is the magic torn and restored money trick. Dollar bill?
Money trick.
See it?
Yeah.
Watch, I'm gonna take it.
No!
Tear it just like this, see it? Okay, so watch, take the torn piece of the dollar, see it?
Torn dollar.
Watch, if I just line it up here, look.
Okay.
If you just rub, it looks like the bill just magically heals, just like that.
You healed it.
This is a super easy one that you can do at home. Check out the secret. Okay, all you need for this trick is a bill. It can be pretty much any bill, and you're going to need some tape. Here's the first step to the trick. You're going to do this before the trick starts, before you show it to anyone. You're going to take a small piece of tape about 2 inches long, and you're going to put it on the back of the bill, fold it back like you're going to double the tape over. So you have one side of it stuck down, you're going to stick one corner of the tape down just like that. So now this is going to stay hidden from your spectator's view the entire time. You're just going to hold the bill this way so that it's facing the spectator, and your audience never sees the tape attached to the back of the bill. So you're going to present the bill, say watch. You're going to tear the bill right below the tape. Because the back of the bill is facing you, you'll be able to see exactly where to tear it. You're going to tear straight across there. Just tear it right off. Now here's what's happening when you go to heal the bill. You're just going to line the piece up like this. Once you've got it lined up, you're just going to pop the tape right down like that and unroll it and stick it in place. If you just take the torn piece of the bill and just touch it just like that, look, it just heals. And once you have it taped back together, it's completely spendable. You can take it right to a bank or a store and use the cash just like you normally would. And that is how you do the magic torn and restored money trick. For this one, you're gonna make everyone's dreams come true and make a pile of cash appear from nowhere. Check it out.
Money! Can I have it?
No, you gotta earn it. You gotta work for it.
No.
You gotta work hard. The secret is half the fun on this one. I actually picked this one up at a magic convention, and it didn't come with any instructions, so I just had to figure out what it was. But now that we figured out what it was, it's actually really cool, and I'll share it with you now. So this is one of those super weird tricks that I found at a magic convention. I'd never seen it before, and I didn't really know what it was. So I actually had to do some research to figure out what these were. Here's what they do. These are spring bills. Super cool. So it's basically just a way to make it look like a big pile of money just appears from your hands or from inside a top hat or inside a paper bag. They're little spring-loaded packets that all have a string connected to them. Almost looks like a tea bag. And you just hold them all together, and then when you let go, they spring open like this. It's like a little money flower. Bling! So you gather them all up. Each one has a thin metal piece running down the middle just like this, and on the other side. And that's what spring loads them. So you have them all squeezed together in a packet like this, and the strings, I'm pretty sure, are to go around your hand or your wrist so that they don't fly everywhere. So these are looped, and you can just slip them on your hand like this. So a good presentation for this might be to say, hey, can I borrow a bill? Take it, put it in your hands, and make it grow into a lot more. Or you can turn this into a really funny prank and load someone's wallet so that when they open it, money flies out everywhere. Stay tuned to the end of the video. I'm giving away the spring bills to one lucky comment. And that is the secret of the magic appearing pile of money. Here's an easy money trick that you can pull off at home with a coin. Check it out. Watch, all I do is take my empty hand, wave it, and the coin magically vanishes. Empty hand. The coin's back. Here's the secret behind this amazing coin trick. Okay, here's the explanation to the disappearing coin. This is something super easy that you can set up at home right now. All you need is a pair of scissors and a deck of cards and a coin. All you need is one card from the deck, and you're gonna cut it in a certain way. You're gonna cut it just like this. So now you can sit this on top of the deck. Because of the curved cut and the busy back design of the card, it blends in really well and it's almost undetectable. It's only when you're super up close that you're able to see it. So this is how we're gonna make our coin disappear. So we're gonna start out in the open space on the top card, the cut card right here. So this is how we're gonna hold it. This is really important. You're gonna hold it in this grip right here. You want this part of your thumb to kind of cover this cut right here, and this part of your finger here to cover this cut here. So the only part that's exposed to the viewer is this part right here that's in our busy back design, so it's not going to expose our cut card. So we're going to start with the coin right here, and then all you have to do to make it disappear is kind of push your finger and your thumb together to make that card pop up like that. You can see that happen. And then the coin will just slide right back under that top card and be hidden from the spectator's view. To make it reappear, all you have to do is reverse the process and the coin will slide out from underneath it, come back into view, and looks like it magically reappears. It's easy, it's quick, it's amazing, and you can cut any card for the top card. You don't have to use an important card. You can use a joker or one of the promotional cards that comes with a deck, and you can just save this piece and do this trick anytime. Try it out at home. And that is how you do the magic disappearing coin. Alright guys, that is it. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone who you think might like it. Please take a sec, share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, Snapchat. Actually, I don't know if you can share on email, text. Send it to someone who you think might like the video. Sharing is caring. Be sure to hit the subscribe button if you're new. Every time you hit the subscribe button, a unicorn is born. Alright guys, it is giveaway time. I'm giving away all the magic props from this video. I'm giving away the magic money tube, and I'm giving away the magic appearing pile of money. And I'm also giving away 3 magic bite out quarters from EvanEraTV.com. Giving away these items to 5 lucky comments in the comment section down below. So all you have to do to be eligible for the giveaway is give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section down below. We'll go through the comments, pick 5 random comments, and mail you out the tricks so that you can perform these amazing magic tricks at home. It's time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How To Magic video. The winners are these names right here. Send me a private message on YouTube with your full mailing address to claim your prize. Thank you to everyone who entered that giveaway. Good luck to everyone entering this giveaway. Be sure to leave a thumbs up on the video and put a comment in the comment section down below. I have a lot of other cool money magic trick videos. Check out the playlist of How To Magic for more money magic. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button right down there. You can check out the last How To Magic episode right over there if you missed it. The shop's right down there if you want to grab some merch and support the channel. The vlog channel is right down there. It's my second channel on YouTube. Subscribe to that as well, and until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.